Alright everyone, here we go with another repair video. Here we have a Yamaha SY85. Generally it's a right mess, but generally it does work. Let's put the light on so you can see a little bit better. Yeah, it does work. We've got a knob cover missing there. It's absolutely dusty, filthy, full of crap. But powered up does work. I don't know if you can see the dust in between the keys and everything, but this is our problem. That key is broken underneath, so it's popping out too far. And then these keys, see, you press that one, and then it presses the other two down at the same time. So hopefully that might just be something caught up in there. So all I'm doing at the moment is just lifting all these little golden screws out along here to get this section out. We've taken a lot of screws out so far. I think actually, looking at this metal surround, that this whole piece needs to come out, which means I probably need to get to these screws under these boards, which means taking practically everything out to get the keys out. Jolly good. Right, okay. Yes. This is the key, essentially what is the keyboard, the sort of sensors, switches, and that's been lifted and flipped upside down. To get the actual keys out, that is interesting. Now, it does look like this one that I've marked here, where it's pressing 3 when you press 1, there's a little stick in there. So I'm going to give this a bit of a hoover out, I think. So this is super layered, this bit of kit. I've got one of the main boards out the back. As you can see, there's more screws hidden underneath, so I'm assuming there's screws all the way along here. Yeah. So I've got to lift the whole thing apart. I hope it still plays when I get it back together. Right, we got all those out. Here's the moment of truth. Can I get this apart without zoom out a bit, without everything just going a bit mad? Well, this needs to be cut off, I think. Here it's just tied on with a cable tie. Hopefully all the keys will lift out then, and hopefully they're attached and they don't fall out individually. I might have to make 2 parts of this video because it might be a bit long otherwise. So here we go. I assume this ribbon cable is possibly for aftertouch or something similar. But the keyboard itself does lift out as one piece, and here's our broken key, and that's our one that are pushing 2 down. So come back in the next video and see if I manage to fix it or get the spare parts. This is interesting. Any good keyboard players out there who want to buy this off me once I've finished? Okay, pop the key out. There is a weight and a spring inside the key. You can see how dirty it is in there. I might have to give this a really good bang about. And I found the replacement keys on eBay for £15, shipped from Ireland. I'm in the mainland UK. But hopefully all we've got to do is put our spring in, put the weight in. It may even come with it. And pop it back in, and away we should go. Super.